You can't believe how comfortable this set is. Look at this material. It's so nice and thick and comfortable. And I got it in size large because I wanted it to be like really comfortable. It's a little bit of a crop, so getting a size up would like eliminated the crop. So getting it in large kind of eliminated the crop for me because I didn't want to have, you know, a crop top. But it's so comfortable, and the pants, oh my god, like this is what it looks like. Okay, the only thing that I regret in this outfit is the fact that it doesn't have pockets. So it doesn't have pockets, but I'm okay with it. I wish it did because I kind of love my pants to have pockets, but trust me, it's so worth it. It's so worth it. It's so comfortable. The material is so soft and so comfortable, and it comes in 3 pieces. So I got the like beige, green, and like the, I think this is called tan colors. So it comes in like, well, 6 pieces, and it's a set. So if you're like to run errands and work from home and things like that, this is gonna be perfect. I'm gonna be living in these during this summer, I promise you. It's so nice and soft, and I think they have other colors. I think there's another set that comes with black, gray, and I think tan as well. I believe I'm not sure, but it has like 3 different colors. It has like 3 different set colors, so you know you're sure to find what you like. Also, TikTok is having a spring sale right now, so most of the TikTok shop sellers are participating in the spring sale. So this is your time to get this kind of set. If the, you know, this is the time to get the set if you want it. So yeah, this is what it looks like. Let me give you a close-up of the material. It's so nice and soft. I wish you could feel it right now, but it's like so thick and soft. I honestly love it. So click the link in this video and get a set. Good morning, beautiful people. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. This is another day in my life, the Ramadan vlog. I got ready to film some YouTube videos today, but the lighting is not good, so I don't know what to do. I don't know if I should just film it. Rude. One second. If you're grumpy and you know it, then your face will show it. If you're grumpy and you know it, stomp your feet. You grumpy?
Mama, bye-bye.
All right. So the plan today was to film some of my like regular content, but the lighting is not really giving, so I'm just gonna vlog, do the regular Ramadan vlog today, and yeah, we'll go from there. Right now I already did a video review for my TikTok, and I'm also editing a vlog right now for YouTube, and we'll see. My son is on spring break right now, so I'm trying to see if I can take him to the mall. There's like a little playground area for children there that he enjoy going to, because it's not nice enough to take him to the park. So I'm probably gonna try to take him there. It will allow me to get out as well a little bit. So yeah, we'll see what I end up doing. And that's my brother in the background.
Gang.
If you guys watch my shorts, this is the guy that gave me a fake $1,000 check for my birthday. Where's the money?
It's real.
Where's the money?
Don't worry about it. It's coming.
So this is the person that gave me a fake $1,000 check.
It's coming.
Also, my video that went viral with like my brother blowing on my son's hair, that's the guy. This is the brother that was blowing my son's.
I'm already making you money, man.
You know that video have over 7 million views?
Yes. Where my money at?
Jokes. You got jokes. But yeah, he came from New Jersey just to rob me from the food that we have. But yeah, it's Ramadan, so I'm charitable. This is charity. I'm doing charity right now, okay? Oh, and he works for YouTube. Yeah,
That's a secret.
it's not a secret. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later when I'm doing something more fun. But for now, this is what we're doing. Good morning. We are actually the next day, another very gloomy day. But yesterday I started vlogging and then my brother came to visit. So we kind of ended up having a really nice family time. We were chatting and we had dinner together. So I kind of didn't want to like put the camera in everybody's face. So I ended up not vlogging through the rest of the day. But today I'm gonna continue the vlog, so it's gonna be like a 2-day vlog instead of one for this one. And yeah, today I don't really have anything going on that's really interesting either. I have work. I have about 3 clients, I believe. So after that, I might do a quick run at Home Goods because I have things that I need to return and I also have things that I need to buy. So I'm gonna take you along with me at Home Goods again because it's like my favorite place on earth. So yeah, I'll see you later. Hello, welcome back. Well, to me, I'm done with work. I am exhausted today. I think I'm feeling dehydrated. Also, it's like raining outside and very cold and gloomy, so it's not like the most ideal weather to go out. So I initially wanted to go to Home Goods today, but I don't think I'm gonna go. Actually, no, I'm not gonna go. I don't feel like going. So I'm gonna just sit here and do some work. But yeah, I don't even know if this vlog is like worth uploading or not. But I have to upload something. So we'll see. Well, if you see it, it means it was worth uploading. If you don't see it, then you know what that means. But yeah, I'm gonna continue to work till iftar and then go from there. Hello again. We're actually 2 days later or a day later or something, whatever. My brain is cloudy, but my life has been very uneventful. I've been just busy with work, and I don't know. I don't think you guys are interested in seeing what like my work in these videos specifically. I do have like braiding specific videos on my channel under braiding tutorials. So if anybody is interested, check that out. But yeah, that's all I've been doing. All I've been doing is work. And I feel like that's not very interesting. And because I had enough food in the house for a whole week, I wasn't really, like cooking or anything like that. So, but today I actually made something really good. I made my version of Cajun pasta. So that will be delicious for iftar. I just finished doing that. It's actually a really quick meal. It didn't even take me an hour to do. So I'm gonna go take a shower now and then come get some work done. So this is gonna be more of like a 3 or 4 day vlog instead of a daily vlog, which I give myself grace for even being on camera in the first place, so that's fine. So I'm gonna go take a shower now and I'll be right back. It's almost time for iftar. I have been so tired and so weak and so feeling like so sick lately. It's ridiculous. I've also been having dinner in my room. I know it's bad, but I'm feeling so like week basically that I just kind of like relax in my bed and just have iftar there after praying. And my husband is working overnight, so my TV kind of keeps me company basically. But I'm heating up my food now. 4 more minutes, guys. The iftar time is pushing back more and more and more and more. I feel like by the time Ramadan is over, we'll probably be breaking our fast at 8 p.m. My partner and I are just here chilling. He's working, and I'm working as well. About to post this delicious food on my YouTube shorts. But yeah, we're just here chilling. What better duo do you know? If not for me and my baby. But tomorrow is an exciting day. We are going to my brother's house in New Jersey and we're gonna sleep over there. So that's really exciting.